Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram story glitch. The first thing you will need to do is go into Play Store and you're going to search for Instagram, as you want to ensure that your Instagram app is up to date. Once your Instagram app is up to date, as you can see, mine is updated, you're going to close out of Play Store and you're going to go into Settings. Once in Settings, you are going to scroll down and select Apps. After selecting Apps, you are going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you want to search for Instagram. After finding Instagram, you are going to tap on it. The next thing you want to do is tap on Storage and you are going to tap on Clear Data in the bottom left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on Clear Cache, and as you can see right there, now you are going to go back and you are going to go into Instagram. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.